Okay, so we let them sit and rest for a while. Remember, the original voltage was 825. Okay, 8.25, 8 1/4. So I've already done this, but let's just do it for the purpose of the video. So you can see here, I'm going to go up them now. So we got one, like, no, useless. Okay, that's 8.16. 8.06. Right, and then all of these, that's 822, 824, 823, 824, 824, 824, 824, 823. So obviously these bottom three, because what I'm doing is I'm basically chucking away the shit ones. These bottom three here are obviously, that's 816, so that's a, I'd push 806, and then so these bottom three I would say aren't any good. I can't remember which ones I pulled out actually now. Anyway, so these bottom three aren't any good. From this point upwards, those ones seem to be okay. I'm not going to say they're brilliant, but they're obviously okay. So the next, so take these three out now. Those can go. You see, we're basically going through and getting rid of all the shit ones. These three didn't hold their voltage. If they don't hold the voltage, then they're that's a bit weird. Then they're not good. So we'll take these three out now. Okay, and now we have the rest. And then what we'll do is we'll let them settle a little bit more, and then we'll do a current draw test. It's obviously not a large amount of current, so we'll do a low current test. Like it's 3/4 of an ampish, something like that. Okay.